Moto is launching a Moto Tab G62 for India. It has already been leaked out on Flipkart and the promo page is already available. You will get a Snapdragon 680 SoC, so it will only be a LTE tab. It has a 10.6-inch 2K LCD screen with stylus support. It runs under 12 out of the box. It has a rear panel sporting a single camera with dual tone flash. It has a 7770 mAh battery with USB Type-C port with 20 watts charging. It comes with 3.5 headphone jack, quad speakers with Dolby Atmos. It has a storage expansion of up to 1 TB with microSD card, and it comes in Wi-Fi and LTE version. The pricing is still not been revealed. It should be priced very well, and it should have a stockish Android. So the only competition for this will be the Realme Pad series, and hope they can give proper Android support. So like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.